Okay, sandali ha. Okay. Tanong ko lang, kailan ka
Okay.
ba, kailan ka nga ba dumating dito sa Canada?
Ano, February 13, 2024, last year.
February 13, 2024. Tapos, paano ka nagka-LMIA ka agad-agad? 2024?
Yung, di ba naalala mo yung mga group consultations mo?
Okay. Oh, part ka pala
Tapos
yun na, aba, ang galing ah. Okay.
sumali ako doon.
Mhm.
Oo, sumali ako doon tapos hindi ako naka naka-join kasi nga may ginagawa ako tapos sabi ko, "Te, paano 'yun eh nagbayad ako ng 50, hindi ako maka-join. Pwedeng
Ikaw pala yun.
one-on-one consultation." Kaya sabi
Ikaw
ko,
pala yun.
"Sige, mag one-on-one consultation." Oo.
Ah, okay,
Tapos ang
okay.
kulit ko sa 'di ba, sa Gmail.
Mhm, mhm. Buti na lang pala kinulit
Kulit
mo
kong
ako,
mag-email
ano?
sa iyo eh.
Grabe.
Parang lahat ng update.
Wow. Mm. But anyway, nakuha mo yung
Ay,
LMIA, pero before you got the LMIA, you seek a consultation ng one-on-one sa akin, tama?
oo, oo.
Nalala ko yun. With your
Kasama ng
employer. With
ano
your employer.
ng prospect yeah, yeah,
Mm,
employer ko.
okay. And then, di ba, I always tell everyone na ang caregiver program, it can actually be one, returned, it can be refused, or it can be approved. Now,
Mm.
even if it is
Kaya nga 'di ba
caregiver,
nung
mhm,
nag-usap tayo, te, 'di ba iyak ako ng iyak noon kasi, te, tulungan mo naman ako, ano
I
gagawin
know.
ko, wala.
Pero hindi na bago
Kasi 'di
sa
ba
akin, maraming umiiyak.
nagbabasa rin. Kaya nga nagbabasa rin ako, sabi hindi na pwede yung visitor to
Mhm,
caregiver,
mhm,
gano'n, gano'n.
mhm.
Kaya tapos yun.
Tapos,
Oh my
ano,
God!
are you trying to repeat what we've done a while ago? But you know what? We're just gonna be, you know what? Honestly, we're just gonna be real right now. And we wanted to actually, I believe that you want to inspire people. That's why I'm repeating this information na naka-record. It's not because we wanted to be boastful, but well, part of it, we have to be proud of
Yeah,
what we have done.
but then parang hindi pa kasi, parang hanggang ngayon nanginginig pa nga ako, eh.
Oh, yeah? Nasabi mo na ba sa mga employer mo?
Yeah. Oo, nasabi ko na tapos pati sila
Amazing.
hindi makapaniwala,
Awesome.
"Really? Really? You stayed with Norlin still, right?" I was like, "Yeah, I did." I was like,
I know. I know. Your
sobra.
employer really very supportive, and I believe I can feel it that they really like you, they love you actually, and at the same time
Mm.
meron silang tiwala eh. So that's what's happening nowadays. May mga employer talaga na kagaya nila, mga real employer, they don't trust everything, they don't trust the process, and they are so doubtful. And if that's the case, trust me, I will never stick to them kasi alam ko na
Mm.
you have to be inspired when you do a job. It is not
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not really easy na okay, you're paying me and I do the job. Hindi ganun eh. Dapat kasi talagang i-connect mo lahat kung ano yung knowledge mo as an immigration consultant. Now,
Mhm.
ito yung situation. Okay. Sabi ko nga, there are two options na pwede ka kasi nga private yung employer mo. You can get
Mm.
an LMIA under housekeeper, pero that housekeeper can be returned because of the ministerial information or policy right now na
Mm.
pag foreign national ka, which is tourist visa, mga pure tourist visa, hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply ng work permit na LMIA overseas or as a foreign national. Now,
Mm.
pangalawa is housekeeper. Walang restriction yun. Pwede kang mag-apply dito sa loob ng Canada, process sa labas ng Canada kasi yun yung restriction at yun yung bagong policy. Pero ang sabi
Mm.
ko, ito yung pinaka-main thing na sinasabi ko sa lahat and I really hope na I can educate other immigration consultant as well na mapa housekeeper ka man sa LMIA or mapa LMIA caregiver or nanny ka man, there are the same reason ng kanilang refusal. Hindi naman same lahat, pero parang template yung kanilang refusal.
Mm.
Mayroon ding iba
Mm.
at mayroon ding hindi sila naniniwala sa job offer or sa LMIA
Mm.
genuine siya at mayroong approval and you're part of it. And I believe
Ah,
in my you've seen my aking mga vlog na kagaya mo, na-approvean sila eh. So now, eto na yung challenge na isang bagay na yes, kailangan mong lumabas ng country right now with the approval. So parang ang
Yeah,
sistema niyan is you will gonna be going out na parang manggagaling ka overseas, coming back with that approval na letter na sinend ko sa'yo. Then ipapakita mo yung contract mo, papakita mo LMI mo, then they will gonna print out, CBSA will gonna print out a work permit sa'yo. Ganun yon. So anytime you can go out,
mm-mm,
you can go to Mexico or any place kasi yun ang lagi kong sinasabi, wag ka na kang pumunta sa Pilipinas. Kasi when you go to
mm-mm,
Philippines, hahanapan ka ng ROE, hahanapan ka ng tawag dito, hindi lang ROE. Hindi pala ROE, Polo at saka OEC ang hahanapin sa'yo.
mm-mm.
That's the sad part. Kasi nga,
Kaya nga,
it's gonna take time bago mo mahawakan
kailangan ko
yung
kasi
permit.
yung kailangan kasi ako ng employer ko.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi nga,
I can
perfect
tell.
timing rin kasi
Yeah. Mm-mm.
yun daw mama nila nadulas. So
Mm-hmm.
na-admit tapos
Mm-hmm.
ngayon na-discharge na kaya kailangan ako ng employer ko. Kaya sabi, perfect timing lang ng pagka-approve. Kaya
Mhm, mhm.
nanginig
So,
talaga ako kanina.
you have to get out then as soon as possible. So, arrange mo na. You need to arrange your I don't know if we call it vacation or exit na lang and then coming in. Yung
Yeah, yeah.
arrange mo
Pero
siya as
hindi
soon as
naman yan
possible.
mahirap din, no, pag
Um,
nag-exit ka.
Heard from other people, it's nothing naman. I know, my nanny, my housekeeper, they're coming in and out dito sa Canada after they get the approval na nandito sila sa loob ng Canada. Wala naman naging
Mm,
problema.
mm.
It was all good. So, you just need to bring
Ay,
passport at saka yung LMIA and that letter of approval from the IRCC. So, it's a good thing.
okay.
Uh,
Thank you so much
ang,
talaga,
ang
te.
maganda pa nito, may PR pathway yung work permit mo.
Kaya nga,
So you
kaya
took
nga.
a chance, big time, to taking a chance, honestly.
Yeah.
Then, ang maganda nito, may PR pathway. So, once na nakuha mo na yung work permit mo, accumulate 6 months as we speak. That's the reality right now. That's the policy.
Mm,
Accumulate 6 months, assuming that you take that English exam, CL4, ang result at the same
yeah.
high school diploma sa ECA mo is,
Meron na ako ng lahat eh.
see? So
Experience
that's
na lang kulang, te.
experience na lang ang kulang so that you could be able to bring your whole family eventually at makakapag-apply ka with your family. So that's the beauty.
Ah,
That's beautiful. So now, before we end, I know that you're busy. I want to hear out kung ano bang gusto mong mai-share sa ating mga followers at saka mga tao na nangangarap na kagaya mo, tourist visa, nakakuha ng LMIA, legitimate employer, and then you got this approval. Nandito ka sa loob ng Canada and
parang,
prinasa.
oo nga.
What can you tell them?
Ah,
I know magaling ka dyan.
sige. Magaling. Sige, see you sa mga katulad ko na nangangarap. Pero para bang ready na isuko yung pangarap, huwag tayong mawala. Ano ba? Bakit ba ako naiiyak?
Paiyakin mo na naman ako
Parang
niyan.
huwag lang tayong mawalan ng pag-asa kasi meron at meron talagang ilalaan ng Diyos sa atin. Parang magtiwala lang tayo sa sarili at sa mga plano ng Diyos para sa atin. Kasi hindi niya talaga tayo papabayaan. Tapos naniniwala kasi ako na parang nandito tayo kasi may plano ang Diyos. So, parang maglalaan siya ng mga tao na pwede tayong tulungan. Kagaya sa'yo, te. Ikaw, alam mo naman, sabi ko nga sa'yo, nung una pa lang, sabi ko, te, ikaw na talaga yung magpo-process ng paper ko kasi, wala na talaga akong ibang parang, I will not trust anyone who will handle my paper and probably will be approved, kundi ikaw lang talaga nasa isip ko. Isang reply mo nga lang, kinikilig na ako. Tas yun na nga, parang we don't know personally, like we don't know each other personally, tapos hindi nga tayo nagkita personally kasi nandito ako sa Edmonton, malayo ka.
Ang
But
layo.
because I trust you, and yeah, I'm really a follower and a fan, that.
Thank
Palagi naman
you.
akong nagsasabi sa'yo nun eh.
Yeah, lagi mo sinasabi
So
sa
and
akin
then
yan.
when yeah, and when things got complicated with immigration, so I decided to trust you with my papers and all. So like yung word lang talaga na struck ako when we had those conversations is yung sinabi mo talaga sa akin na yung tayo na lang dalawa, iniwan na tayo ng employer ko via yung natira na
Yeah.
minutes na nag-consultation tayo. Sabi mo talaga sa akin na, I will fight for you till the end, tapos di kita iiwan. Yun lang talaga ang palaging tumatatak sa isip ko, which is true naman. Yun naman ginawa mo.
Yeah.
Kahit ang kulit ko, te, ano ba? May update na ba?
I know.
Tapos
I
yun,
know.
tapos naniniwala kasi ako na God's time is different from our time. Parang he has his own perfect timing. We just need to
Yeah.
trust and trust the process, and
It's the
syempre
process.
ikaw na rin trust sa'yo. Kasi pag
Um,
walang trust kasi
yeah,
sa'yo,
yeah,
syempre
that's true.
doubtful.
That's the difference eh.
So yeah,
Nararamdaman ko talaga na andun yung trust at saka at the same time andun din yung loyalty mo at saka napaka-easy mong client. And I'm really happy for that. Not everybody is easy, honestly.
uh,
And you're one of the reasons na
tapos
na-uplift yung
tapos
aming
sabi mo
pakiramdam.
pa, sorry.
That's okay. I know you're excited.
Kaya nga yun ngang pa-process pa lang tayo ng paper, sabi mo, "Di magpa-process tayo ng paper ngayon baka bukas ibabasa." Ha? Ang dali naman ma-process. Tapos yun nga, totoo naman, hindi pa nga ako naka-send ng full sa'yo, na-process na yung paper ko. Ganyan ka
Kasi
kabait, eh. Tapos
the more na hindi
tapos
pa
sabi ko,
process
"Te,
yun.
paano yung PR?" Sabi mo, "Okay, sabi ko, "Te, paano sa pag na-PR na?" Sabi mo, "Okay, we'll just take one step at a time." Pero
Oo
te,
nga.
ikaw pa rin yung bahala ng sa PR application ko.
I know, my gosh, it's
Yun nga
beautiful.
sabi ko
It's
sa'yo.
beautiful.
Tapos
It's a
yun,
beautiful
tapos
experience.
pag may nagtatanong sa akin, tapos kamusta na yung application mo? Sabi ko, hindi naman ako gaano kinakabahan kasi tiwala naman ako sa consultant ko. Yun nga, si Tinorilin. Sabi lang,
Mhm,
oh,
mhm.
tapos gumaganon pa yung mga tao, oh, si Norilin pala yung ano mo, namili ka talaga ng sikat ha.
Talagang pinili mo yung
Sabi ko,
yung
siya lang
grupo.
pinagkakatiwalaan ko eh.
Salamat sa totoo lang. I really appreciate.
Palagi
Yeah.
kitang nakikita, di ba?
Amazing, amazing. Yeah. Well, continue to actually be
Yeah.
hopeful in every process ng immigration. And
Kaya
especially
nga,
right now,
ay.
ano ka na diretso ka na ka talaga na, may PR pathway na yung experience mo na makukuha mo eventually. And so, papunta na doon yun eh. I'm really, really happy
Yeah.
with that. Ang
Ay,
lang natin,
thank
God
you
will
so
give,
much, te.
yung employer ng mas mahaba-haba pang buhay para nang sa ganon, to stick with you. And I believe with your
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
employers behavior in terms of your the support na binibigyan nila sa'yo, I believe na they will gonna stick with you until until forever na kailangan ka nila at kailangan mo sila. So I'm happy.
Yeah.
Intention is not for you to actually
Yeah,
stay
thank you,
stagnant,
te.
but to support you. So thank you so much. I will share this and I
Yeah, yeah.
really pag may question ka, please feel free to
Oh,
tell
thank
me or
you.
text me. Okay? Take care.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank
I
you.
will. Ingat, te. Ingat.
You
Salamat.
too
Talk
there.
to you
Take
soon.
care. Bye-bye. Talk to you
Bye.